So I've got this professional trimmer set. So you have two machines, bigger one for cutting hair or beard as well, and this one for making the contours. Really cool. And they are cordless, so they have batteries, they have USB charging. So let's take them out, unbox them, check them out, and trim this beard a bit. Okay, now let's see what we have in this box. So if we do this, that's how we take this all out. Okay, so there we go. There we have the machines, both of them. And here we have all the accessories. So we have the trimming heads, charging cables for both machines, trimming heads for the small machine, I believe, some oil, comb, this for cleaning the machines, and a user manual. So I have another cleaning brush here. So these are the guide combs. So we have 4 here for the detail trimmer, 1.5 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 3 millimeters, and 2 millimeters. There we go, the brush. So another 8 comb trimmers for the machine, 3 millimeters right here, 6 millimeters, 13, 10, 19, 16, 22, and 25. And what I also like is that they are color coded, so you just need to know the color. You don't need to always check the number or the millimeters. And now let's see the machines. That's the first one, the biggest one. So it holds 3 hours of charge, as you can see here, and it looks really cool. It's metal. You've got this here, and if we take this out, and this is the button. And it also has like a low level of noise, so as you can see, it's not very noisy. And when it turns on, this is the display, really cool display that you can see here. This, you can see how much power it has left, and you can see if it's connected to power. And that's the small detail trimmer. Really nice design, I really like it, it looks really good. And then we also have a display here. That's a display there. You can see it's not very noisy. As you can see, they match the design. Really cool design. If you want to give this as a gift, that's really cool. For a moment here, you can see the oil indicator, I think, is here, which is really cool. So if it needs some oil here, it will show on the display right here, which is really good for maintenance, because you want it oiled and working fine. And if it shows on your display, it's really easy for you to take care of it. Now let's attach the small ones so you can see how easy it is to attach them. There we go, really easy to attach them. One cool thing on the detail trimmer is that it charges via USB-C. And here we go for the big one. Let's try the combs. There we go, so that's the big one. That's number 6. Try another one. And now let's try them both on my beard.